Hi everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kiran, I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to do things a little bit differently. We're going to go through a walkthrough of how to use agents within ChatGPT. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So here we have our ChatGPT homepage, and I'm going to go ahead and click agent. I'm going to put in a prompt that says, please compare flights to New York City from Miami on August 12th and return the lowest price flight. As you see here, it's going to start loading. It's setting up my desktop. The agent is now working within my computer. It's asking me a specific question. Is it just a one-way? So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and say just one way. It's very cool because it will ask questions based on exactly what you're looking for, but it also gives different options within the agents, which we'll go into later, whether it's a spreadsheet, PowerPoint, or it's just something that you want to find in the source. So as you can see in this example, it kind of opened up its own little browser, and now it's going through different websites. It's explaining what it's doing. And as you can see here, now it's basically clicking exactly what I prompted it. One way, it's going to go over to where exactly I want it to go, which I just put New York, which was very broad. I probably could have put the exact airport, but we'll see what it does. And here it's going to go into the exact date that I asked for. Now, something cool that I found about the date function when it was going in its own browser is it almost opened its own box of code, and it's making sure that it's selecting the correct date, which is something that's very cool. So it was able to parse through and select our August 12th date, which is what we prompted it to. And as you can see, it's going to click search. And then the page of all these different flights from Google Flights is going to show up. You can see in the dialog box, it's telling you what's the cheapest, it's sorting, it's going through specific filters to optimally find exactly what we prompted it. So let that load and we'll let that keep going through and exactly looking for the cheapest flight, which is what we're trying to find. So it even is telling us that there's some better options in Fort Lauderdale, which is pretty cool because I told it only for Miami, but it's almost saying if you're willing to go to Fort Lauderdale, there's even better options. As you can see here, it's giving me a lowest price flight. It's giving me different options. It has the whole list here. And now it's starting to figure out, okay, there's different airports in New York. So it's basically trying to go through those 3 airports and see exactly what's the best option. My prompt was pretty broad by saying, let's just go to New York. So it might confuse a little bit, but let's see what it does. Let's see what it gives us. So it's going to continue to scroll. It's going to go down and click view more flights for us. So there's so many options. So it's very interesting to see how this is maneuvering through all these options on Google Flights. And mind you, I'm not even touching anything right now. This is all ChatGPT, this agent. It's going through everything by itself, which is the neat part. You could almost just leave it alone and let it work for you. You could go do some other task right now, and ChatGPT is still working for you. So let's see. It says the cheapest flight found from Miami to NYC on August 12th. It's giving me specific times. Okay, so it says it's still going to be scrolling. It's still trying to find the information. So it's almost backtracking on itself, saying the one that it thought is too high, so it's going to continue to look. It's reviewing flight options. And as you can see on my screen, I mean, it's been going through a few airlines now, just making sure it's comparing the flight prices, seeing what's exactly the best option for me. Okay, it says it will compile a summary. Oh, wow, and here we have it. So it finished loading. And there you go. It gave us our lowest price options. It broke it down for us, whether we want to go from Miami or Fort Lauderdale. And it gave us a recommendation. So from Fort Lauderdale, Spirit flight is 6:18 a.m. And then from Miami International Airport, it would be also Spirit Airlines, but at 5:16 p.m. and it'll go to Newark. That's extremely interesting. I honestly love this. This is pretty cool. It's definitely very interesting how it had the ability to go on the internet by itself without me prompting anything after the initial prompt, of course, and it was able to open its own browser and find exactly what I was looking for. That was really neat. So it's very autonomous and it allows you to be more efficient when looking at other different tasks that you possibly could be working on, and this will be working for you simultaneously. I think that was great, and it's going to be interesting. Definitely going to keep working on this and try to find more examples for us. With that being said, this was an example of how you can use ChatGPT agents to help you maximize the efficiency when using the chatbot. In conclusion, we hope you like this video, and please click the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.